Previously, we picked up our Model 3 from the delivery centre and it checked out A-OK. But Kaz had a meltdown on her first drive.
I want you drive. I don't want to be the first one to drive it.
Too late, you've already driven it.
Yeah, well, you can drive it now.
G'day, welcome back to the channel. Guess who's giving it another crack? Driving the long-range Model 3, Tesla, the Highland. And where are we going today, Kaz?
We're going to the Supercharger to work out how to use it.
What could possibly go wrong? Roll the intro.
The short drive to Yes assisted me to gain more confidence in driving the new Tesla Model 3. We took the Yes turnoff and now we're only 5 minutes away. We found the chargers, but accidentally drove past the entrance. Can you go that way?
No entry yet, going to no entry.
We're going in the no entry.
We're breaking the rules.
I attempted to reverse onto the supercharger, but failed. I tried to straighten up, but failed again. I thought I did a good job and gave the thumbs up. Oh, that's shocking.
That's terrible.
That's shocking. You can do it.
That's a fail.
I tried.
You tried.
I then let my smart-ass husband Shane have a crack. And after 5 minutes of stuffing around, we finally parked the Tesla.
Big pull. Ooh, okay. Right. I think if you put it near it, hit that little button. Oh, it's popped open. Right. So chuck it in. Big push. Okay, so that's flashing blue. Tell me when it goes. Oh, it's green. How easy is that? That's fantastic. Well done, Kaz. High five. Excellent. How easy is that?
Our first supercharger.
Our first Oh, it sounds like a vacuum cleaner. As long as it's pushing electrons in, not sucking them out.
We wandered the streets of Yes, looking for food.
Go, go, go. Cool. Run, Kaz. Run. Here we go.
And finally decided to have lunch at Subway.
Hey, Kaz. It's done. And we haven't even eaten half our lunch yet.
It's fine for you. We then headed back to the Tesla Supercharger. Tessie made some friends while we were away.
Can you go unlock on the Tesla app?
Press the charging handle button to stop charging and unlock. So you press that button.
Yep.
That's what it says.
Press it. Oh, done. And how easy is that? Oh, the door closed and we didn't even see it. So how easy was that, Kaz?
Too easy.
A no-brainer.
Anyone can use them. We headed home and I am now more confident in driving Tessie Tesla. We checked the charging stats and it cost $20 for a top-up. As always, if you want to follow our adventures, check out our socials in the description down below. If you're lucky enough to be buying a Tesla soon, check out our referral code in the description down below as well. Share, like, subscribe if you want, it's your choice. Other than that, we'll see you in the next episode. How do you spell Adelaide?